NASDAQ this week has started with a week with a small bearish candle. The price has reached the resistance level 23657.37, slightly gone down and then making a bullish breakout. This bullish breakout has been formed and we can see the price is trying to move higher, but after that the price could not manage to go further higher, reaching 24,000, but the price has gone slightly down and reaching now support level. Well, a weekly time frame currently shows a small indecision candle with a wick on the upper side and also a wick on the lower side, which means the fight between the buyers and the sellers. Monthly time frame shows us only a bullish candle forming, and it is continuation of this strong bullish momentum that has started several months ago. What we can make a conclusion of what we can expect next week? Well, everything is pointing that we are still in the bullish mode. We can see that also the daily time frame has formed this bullish breakout, which means the price will try to move higher to the higher price levels. Will the price manage to go above from this area of support, or it will make a bearish breakout below this area of support? This is something that we need to wait. So for now, for the NASDAQ, I would like to see how the Monday closes. Will the Monday close above this area of resistance, above the open price of this candle, or it will go below this area of support? This is very important information because this will also determine how the price will move for the rest of the week. If it goes above this area of resistance, it will try to move higher. If it goes below this area of support, and this is the support that's very important, 23.530, if the price closes the daily time frame below this area of support, it will try to move further down. So it's very important to see and also react accordingly after the Monday closes. It is also very important to see how the price will open on the Monday. Will it open with a gap or without the gap? This is a very important information. And currently we can see on the 4-hour time frame, which is intraday analysis, it shows that the price is currently between this resistance and this support. So it is trying to move further down to this area of support, and then will it bounce from this support, or it will make a better breakout, or it will continue to rise in value, making a bullish breakout. This is something that we need to see and wait. So it's staying outside of the market, waiting for a clean breakout, and then following the market is the best thing to do, not to risking and also forcing the trading without the market showing its direction. If you would like to receive the updates during the week when there is a bullish and bearish breakouts, feel free to check the link below in the description, where I share the details inside the premium group with the traders when this breakout happens, so they are informed on time when there is a breakout and what is the target. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.